In this video we want to show you how you can turn your plain text or blog post into an engaging live video with live actors and live actions just like this one you're watching right now for absolutely free. If you want to boost your business online presence and create emotional connection between your customers and your business that lead to them taking your desired action, you need a video like this one with live actors and live actions. The best part is that we are offering to create your first video of this kind for you for absolutely free with just a link from your blog post or your written text if you act today. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth more than 1.8 million words. The fact is that the statistics on the role of videos in marketing cannot simply be ignored any longer by any serious business owner. Though we are not here to bore you with video statistics, it is important we tell you that videos now generate over 75% of all internet traffic. That is because people are more engaged with videos with live actors and actions just like this one you're watching right now than they do with just text. Like we have already said, the only thing we need from you to create this type of video for your business is your content. This can be a link to your existing blog post or your written text. We don't need any videos or images from you except you have specific images and videos you want us to include in your video. We don't even need your recorded voice because we will take care of all that. What are you waiting for? Let's make your business look professional with professional, live engaging videos like this one that will leave your competitors speechless. Let's turn your static blog post into an engaging live video with live actors and live actions. And yes, like we said before, your first video will be free at no cost and no watermark, and our branding will not be on it either. The video will be completely yours. Simply send us your script about your business or the link to your blog post, and we will get your video ready within 24 hours.